Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iCloud Photos status, available storage, and backups are known. Open Photos and immediately check albums recently deleted, restore anything there. Once done, disable new photo syncing and stop using the device to avoid overwriting data. If you have a Time Machine or Finder/iTunes backup, locate the latest archive now, because you'll need it next to extract originals. This quick preparation prevents further loss and sets up the tools for deeper recovery. Next, perform the core recovery actions. Hold Option and Command while launching Photos to trigger the Repair Library tool. Follow prompts and wait. This can rebuild database links. If repair fails, restore a copied Photos library from Time Machine or your backup drive via Finder. Replace the current library, then open Photos. If backups aren't available, run a trusted Mac recovery app to scan the disk for missing originals. Choose tools that support apps and photo structures. Make sure to work on a clone, not the original. Finish by verifying the restored content. Inspect thumbnails, metadata, live photo playback, and iCloud sync status to confirm everything reconnected. If some images remain missing, create a new Photos library and import recovered originals or exports. This isolates issues. Once satisfied, re-enable iCloud Photos and let it resync. Monitor for duplicates and resolve via merge tools. If problems persist, revert to the clone you made and repeat repair, or try a different recovery tool. Always work from the clone so you don't lose data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.